Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how the features in MyMaps from Google align with UDL guidelines and some ideas that this tool can be used in instructional plans. First, let's head to google.com/mymaps. On this screen, you can create a new map on the left, see maps that you own, or have fun and explore other people's maps for ideas and inspiration. I shall go to Explore and see what's in there. Before I continue, MyMaps is a powerful tool that can be used for many different subjects. For math, you can find out distances between places. For language arts and social studies, you can create stories based on the different locations on the map, bird locations for biology, meteorite craters for science, and even a fun one like Pokemon locations. Because you can customize the maps any way you want, you can use this for virtually any subject. Let's try US Civil War. As you can see, there are two main panes, one with the map and one with the information from the map. Clicking on the info on the left will tell you details of the location and zoom in on that particular place on the map. For Guideline 1, providing multiple means of representation, you can see that you can zoom in on the map, color code different parts of the map to make it easier to look at, provide different icons and pictures. You can even include video with captions if you wish, since you can import YouTube videos. The layout is clean and simple. Unfortunately, I do not find any way to translate items. Also, while finding cities and writing descriptions are easy, there is a learning curve when you start to connect multiple cities or are using different layers, so the comprehension is a bit difficult. Also, the website is always being updated, so features may change or get added, or procedures may change, so that it can increase the learning curve. As you can see, this is really useful for social studies or language arts, as I can ask my students to tell stories or a place's history based on the location on a map. Next, let's go to a map I made detailing a fictional trip to Chicago. What is nice is that I can see the routes I took to get the different cities. Especially convenient for a math lesson is that I can click on the ruler icon and measure distances, and see from Chicago to Montreal that it is about 725 miles. So when writing lessons, I can ask students to find the shortest route to a place or measure distances between different areas. For Guideline 2, providing multiple means of action and representation, as you saw, students can express themselves through writing, pictures, and video. There is no drawing feature for the city descriptions though, but you can use screenshots and upload them to the description. The map can easily be zoomed in and out with the icons on the lower right, a mouse track wheel, or a touchscreen. Unfortunately, there is not much in the way of selecting many things on the screen with the keyboard only, as you can select only a few things and nothing more. Now, let's go to an interesting one, meteorite craters on Earth. Let me zoom in, and here is the Behringer Crater in Arizona, a pretty popular tourist attraction. As you can see, this map lists many impact craters from around the world. You can see this used in science as students track meteors, or maybe even track hurricanes based on actual data. For Guideline 3, providing multiple means for engagement. As you've seen, this website is highly customizable as you can add different forms of media, select different cities, add color, etc. Lessons can be made more challenging, having the students add or change different aspects of their map. This is especially great to learn about different cultures, as I can see them having fun and writing about where their families came from. They can write about the different foods, traditions, and other fun things they enjoy in certain areas. There is no goal settings or no features that can help to regulate frustration though. As I said earlier, there is a slight learning curve for some features, so it will be handy to teach these first and make sure the students understand them clearly. And there you have it. These are the reasons why MyMaps aligns with UDL guidelines and how this unique tool is useful for so many different subjects.